Hi guys, today I'm gonna play Breaking Point with my friend, bruh. I don't know how to do this. Okay,
I've Corona first.
why are you saying you have Corona? That's not true.
I'm not have Corona.
And I have Robux.
Yeah, no,
I got it today. I got it today.
Yeah, but my friend's going to buy a gift card for me too. Yay! Wait, that's going to get. Look, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. But yeah, I'm undercover.
That's not your skin. It's just okay. What the hell is that guy doing there?
Wait,
Is that?
I'm normal. Where are you?
I am.
Everybody can see my skin.
Where the hell are you then? Where the hell are you? Skip. We're not gonna kill each other.
Yeah, we are teams. Wait, I'm there.
I'm not good at knife.
Oh, she's going to choose. Wait,
I know he's gonna choose. You're there.
wait.
You're
I'm
there.
here.
You're there.
Yeah, there. That's mine. I see you.
Choose me. That guy said choose me. Bro, that's me possessed.
Wait, I'll say something. Choose me and nope. Are you kidding me? Wait, choose me.
What the heck? You said choose me, so choose you.
Just me and boring. Choose me for conquest. You just me. I'm not new. Yeah.
I don't have shift lock. Oh, I have shift lock.
Are you kidding me?
I forgot. That's why I'm not good. I'm good at shift lock.
Help me! Help me!
Die.
Oh,
Bruh,
Easy.
you're good.
Yeah.
Airport is here.
Yeah, I know.
Why is he here?
Okay, so somebody choose me. Oh, I can choose.
Choose a new.
Okay, I will choose
The black man.
that man. Yeah, but my gosh. Wait, she's good. I think
Yes.
she's.
Because he's a new. Why did that guy kill front of me?
Bruh. Maybe she jumped here.
Knife skin.
Oh, don't choose me. Look a pro, people.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Noob with pros.
Yeah, but I'm a pro.
I'm a noob.
You have 3 minutes at 1 minute.
Not in Roblox in the game. I got it.
Bruh. What? It's so dark.
I love it with a gun. Huh? Yes.
Yes.
I love it with a gun.
Oh, is that choosing me?
I want with the gun.
Yeah, then you murder is a good.
Do not kill me. I won't kill you.
Okay, I'm kill you.
If you kill me, I will take my gun.
Maybe I'm going to win, and maybe I'm going to win.
Yeah, maybe. Why the hell are you shaking your hands? Are you crazy?
He's laggy, I think. Okay, I'm going to. I don't know.
Choose a noob.
I can't. I just choose this girl.
What the hell? He's good. What are you doing?
What do I choose then? How?
Just leave and come back. Do not leave this way.
Yeah, no, it's going to be the last place alive wins.
Luca has joined the server.
Lucas?
Yeah.
Luca. Wait.
Oh yeah, he wins. He wins.
Brother?
That guy says, oof, my Wi-Fi.
Wait, in here.
Bruh, what are you doing? Who was it?
I don't know.
Just skip that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
I don't. Skip.
What is going on?
Choose me, asshole. I have shift lock. I'm good at shift lock.
Okay.
What the hell is happening?
My leg.
His internet is not good.
Oh.
Choose me.
Oh.
Oh, why didn't you choose me?
It's not with choose.
What his Wi-Fi?
The server is choosing, I think. Oh, why again?
Because you're pro.
Okay. Not again, are you kidding me? What is going on?
If you die, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Why?
Kill yourself. That noob that killed you is dead. Why the hell is everyone throwing a knife? Oh,
He's
headshot.
Go. This noob, just kill him.
Just kill this noob.
How did I die? He's throwing a knife.
But how did you throw a knife?
I don't know. I can't.
Like, literally. Let's go here. More game modes. Go here. And join Breaking Point. I'll join Breaking. Come to. Join me. I'm doing with the gun. Join me too, asshole. What are you doing? Join me. I said join me.
I said I'm not going to join you. I will never join you for my life.
Fast.
It's going to shoot. Oh, it's murder, I think.
No, it's a gun.
Shooter, yeah.
Yeah. This game mode is going to be gone. All game mode.
Breaking. Is it only with gun?
Yeah, this is only with gun.
I hate cookies.
What do you hate gun? I love gun.
Okay.
Hello. Then
I'm going. How? How I
just close the door.
He just
calm down, asshole.
you killed me.
That's just the game. Calm down.
My bitch, you killed me.
Jeez,
I'm coming to you. I'm going to kill you.
Come. Did I kill you?
Yes.
How?
You touched me and then I teleported away. I don't know how.
I don't know.
But I'm going to
Wait. I can pause the video a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
You're good. I'm gonna talk. Okay, we are back. If I have Robux, nobody's gonna kill me.
I can know, Wesson. I can know. I will shoot you.
But me? What did you do? I didn't do nothing.
Yes, I saw that.
What did I do?
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh, I'm leaving.
Sorry.
I'm blocking.
No, don't.
I'm blocking you. I swear.
No, don't, please.
So why did you kill me?
I thought that it was.
I don't was. I have to wait another 5 minutes or something.
Okay, stop the video.
Boy.
Yeah, boy. You come to win the game.
I want. Why is that saying the game will start? Oh, beginning.
Wait, I'm not. Yeah, you are.
That was just a Wi-Fi thing.
I'm not the killer. Are you right next to me? You're right.
You almost killed me. Almost. Don't kill me.
Oh, that girl. Flips. That girl. Shoot that girl.
In the head.
You have to do fast.
That guy's gonna kill me too. I know someone's gonna kill me.
Who shoot? Oh.
Who was it?
That girl, I saw that on my eyes.
There's so many noobs in here. She's gonna kill herself. No, he's killing this noob.
No, he's killing next to him, that bro. She left,
Bruh. Push. I die.
It's that girl.
I have to kill that. I have to kill her.
Do fast. You have to do fast. Bro.
Take my notes.
Oh no, that girl was it. That girl is it.
Skip, I'm gonna
No, don't.
But first I have to kill the pros. No, it doesn't.
I don't.
I will kill this asshole. I will kill his ass. I will put his ass down and I will kill him. I swear. I will kill
You
him.
see? Oh no, that girl was died.
I had to kill this girl, else I will die too. Skip.
Yeah, I just forgot it.
If you want part 2, comment and like and turn on notifications.
Yeah. I hope
I'm gonna post. I'm gonna post to Ilyas's channel, gaming with
Ilyas and Hannes.
gaming wasn't
Gaming with Ilyas and Hannes. But
Yeah.
it's like do gaming with Ilyas and Hannes. Okay?
Just okay. Skip. You're gonna play.
You're not next to me. Oh, dude.
I'm not gonna kill you. Who's it? If he's, what the hell did he kill me? You was that.
No, I don't. I swear. Maybe she.
Yeah, he killed me.
I'm not the. I'm not. Look. I'm not it.
I am pro. Who can he kill me?
Look. I'm not it. You see, I'm not it.
Look what I can do. Okay.
Oh, it's somewhere there. I know who the killer is.
Okay, I know what. Look.
I know.
Clap.
Oh shoot!
Look what I say.
Yeah, I think we won.
Look at my chat. Look at the chat.
Bro,
I can do cats.
did he shoot me? No.
Look at it. Look at the. Look. Wait. I did it wrong.
Come on, I die.
Look at the chat. What am I doing wrong?
Look me.
Look at the chat. Look at the chat.
I can do that too. Boom. Ta-da! Wait, I can do this, look, eh? Boom. Oh yeah. If it's work, I don't know. No, it's not working.
I know it. I didn't. It not work. Pony Penny. Pony _Penny.
Dog. Hello, I'm Doggy.
I want to too.
I can do it. I think I can do it. Wait, it's beginning.
Skip.
You're right next.
Don't kill me.
If you don't kill me, I'll kill you. She's lying. She's
Killer.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Killer.
Boom. What do you think? Huh? Hey, how's it play? She's lying.
I am.
Don't shoot me, please.
Shoot them.
Yeah.
You're a noob. He's a noob. I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh no, he's gonna kill me.
Oh, he killed me.
Who was it? This?
No, I saw it from here somewhere. Oh, that. I think this one.
This.
Actually, this guy. Right next to me. You see? This guy.
I'll put his ass out.
Oh, I saw. He moves his hand. He moves it. His hand. I think. I don't know.
I'll do it everything public. No.
Oh shoot!
I don't know. Let's shut it, okay?
Oh, but he do his hand too. I don't know. He moves his hand.
Let's
I
kill this
know.
guy.
No, do fast, please.
He's a pro. I have to kill him. Or else he will kill me. He will kill me. He's just like this. Fuck you, asshole. I'll kill her. Let's skip.
Yeah. Okay, but can I go to shop and I can buy nothing?
Great.
Okay,
That's the end of the video. If you like it, subscribe and like and turn on notifications. We're gonna come back and part 2 or stuff I don't know.
Yeah, it might. I think it might be the or him, man. Just